Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So this video is linked to the last video I done where I done the leak off test on the Mark IV, and a couple of guys suggested that the mechanical side of the injectors is actually fine because it's all a steady flow and all like on a level. So they suggested it could be the MAF sensor, the MAF sensor, or the MAP sensor. So what I've done is I've got the mass airflow sensor and this other sensor here to replace. So I'm gonna, let me just dig this out there. That's the mass airflow sensor, they're tiny, and the MAP sensor, which is one of these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace them, take the car for a drive, get it up to temperature and see if it does it again, because it's like a small hiccup, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to get these changed and see if it makes a difference. If it has, you know, I want to thank the guys very much for pointing this out and save me a small fortune. So let's get these swapped on the car and crack on. So we're going to start off with the MAF sensor. It's just a little lever, that red clip pulls up and then release like so, and then your two T20 screws. And there's the old one. And then put this new one in. Comes with a little gasket around it. Get that sitting flush. And then just reinsert it. Reconnect. That's one sensor done. The next sensor is over the back. Let me zoom out. Over there under the cover. So we're going to remove this cover here and get that one out next. And then we've got the MAP sensor here. Airtake manifold pressure MAP sensor. So let's get this one off. Use a pick on the connection. Quite straightforward. There you go. And then this hose here, carefully. If this is a bit tight, just turn it back and forth like this and crack the seal. And then I believe it's an T25 torque. One out. Get the new one. then reconnect the pipe. So there it is, guys, just a quick one really. It only took a couple of minutes to change the Maf sensor and the map sensor. So all that's left to do now is take the car for a run. I'll get it up to temperature and then I'll keep driving for a bit, half hour or so, and see if it makes any difference. And I'll set the camera up in the car so you can see as well as I'm driving around, stuff like that, and I'll speed up the footage and come back to you in a second. So let's go and see if this rectifies the hiccup problem I've been having. See you in a second. Okay, oops, lens is a bit dirty. Okay, so I've been driving for about half hour. I don't know what's going on with the camera. It's maybe because the light is flickering because of the sun, but it's focusing. But so yeah, I've been driving for about half hour. I've had it up to 80 miles an hour, held it there steady. There's been no problems. It seems okay. I can't complain. So fingers crossed. Them two little sensors is all that's to the problem. But only time will tell. So I'm gonna drive around in it for a while, see if there's any, you know, if it develops any more issues. But so far so good. Normally by now I'm driving a good half hour, 40 minutes, you know, at speed and stuff. You normally get the odd hiccup, but today, after changing these sensors, thanks to the guys that made the comments in the previous video when I've done the leak-off test on this car, they said try these sensors because they've had the same problem with theirs, and they changed them sensors and it seemed to fix the problem. So if that's rectified the problem, which I don't want to jinx it yet, but fingers crossed it has sorted it. If it has done, those guys and everyone on the channel that follows along, okay, I want to say thank you because you've helped me there. So those two particular people, they know who they are. I can't remember the names offhand, but thank you. But you've saved me about £400 on injectors. So that money that I've saved there can go to doing another project that needs doing on the car, either on this car or possibly even on the ST. I could put that money towards sorting out the subframe and stuff. But so far so good. I can't grumble with this. It seems a lot smoother as well, which is really weird. But that's what the aim of this channel is about. I do these videos just to help out. You know, I don't bore people with what the problem is and stuff like that. The aim of my videos is to literally the aim of my videos is to literally just show you the problem, because the reason why we go on YouTube is because we know what the problem is. We just need to see how to fix it. So that's why I do these videos the way I do. You know, you obviously know what the problem is, and you just need to see the result on how to fix it and get the job done. You don't want someone talking for half hour, you know, explaining why the problem becomes the problem. You just want the fix. So that's the reason why these videos are done this way. So I hope this video has helped. It seems to have cleared my little problem up, thanks to you guys out there. And yeah, happy days. So it's not hiccuping now. You can see I'm sweltering here, 27 degrees. But yeah, that seems to be the problem sorted. So I hope, let's pull over here. I hope that that's sorted it out. So if you've liked the video, leave a like, always comment with your what you'd do differently and stuff like that, and hopefully you've enjoyed it. So like I say, leave a like, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and thanks to the two guys that told me about these two sensors. You've saved me an absolute fortune. You know, so until the next video, thanks for watching, guys, and from In the Mark 4, we'll see you next time. Cheers, bye now.